Hey Divas, so it was time for me to do my hair and I decided to go ahead and record it just so you guys can see what my hair is looking like these days. For those of you who are unfamiliar with my regimen, I definitely have videos of everything from start to finish, but this video is just a quick overview of what I do. I have already washed and conditioned my hair and here I am just detangling. I'm going to add some heat protectant off camera and then I'm going to go ahead and blow dry my hair. I like to blow dry it when I'm wearing a flat iron hairstyle simply because I feel like it gives me the best results. You definitely don't have to use heat tools to straighten your hair. You can definitely do the banding method. There are plenty of videos on YouTube that show you how to straighten and stretch your hair without heat tools, so definitely check that out. If you want me to do a video on it, I can definitely do one as well. So here is my hair freshly blow dried, completely stretched, and from here I am going to style it by, again, flat ironing my hair. You could definitely wear your hair fresh like this, especially if you like to have that natural vibe going. And so yeah, here's just the length of my hair once it's all stretched. So it's definitely time for me to trim my ends. Unfortunately, I did not do that in this specific video, but I do actually plan to do that on camera in my next video. So if you are wanting to know how to trim your ends yourself, definitely stay tuned to that next video. Alright, so now that I have my hair all combed out, I'm going to part and section off my hair so that I may begin flat ironing. So I normally start with the back. And you want to make sure your hair is completely dry before you add any heat tools to your hair. You don't want to damage your hair. So here I am detangling and I'm going to section it off and I'm going to begin flat ironing. Now while I'm doing this, I did want to address a question that I get a lot. I get asked this so many times. How do you achieve a sleek flat ironed hairstyle and it be flowy? What products do you use? What do you do? What's the tea, sis? Well, basically, I'm here to let you know you have to condition your hair and do everything beforehand. When it's time to flat iron your hair, you do not need to add products. Again, this is my recommendation. This is how I get my flowy results. So I do not add any product to my hair when I am straightening my hair. Everything that I done to deep condition and to moisturize my hair was done during the conditioning phase after I shampooed my hair. So when I am flat ironing, I actually put no product on it whatsoever. Once I have finished flat ironing my hairstyle, I will add some oil just to give it a little bit of shine, but I don't add too much. I add a dime size. I rub it all over my hands to warm up the product, and then I apply it onto the top of my hair, working its way down to the bottom of my strands. From there, I will show you that process on camera, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick little tip for that because I get that question a lot. So now I am flat ironing the crown of my hair. I did speed through a lot of this process because it is mundane. You see it on every strand, every part, every section that I do. But here I am towards the end. I do want to go back with the flat iron close to my edges just to kind of, make them more sleek. Once I get my edges sleek, I then like to just go around and kind of round off the flat iron on all of my ends just to kind of give it some shape. So I don't like it to be completely straight, but I do like it to have a little curve to it. So once I round off all of my ends, I like to just comb throughout my hair. And as you can see, my hair is very flowy. It's lightweight. It has body. It has movement. When you put too much product in your hair, you will not get movement. You will not get body. You will not get weightless action. So just keep that in mind. You want to minimize the amount of product that you put in your hair when wanting to achieve a straight and sleek style with body and movement. I also get a lot of questions about how do I maintain my hair throughout the week. I do work out, so it's not always ideal to have a flat iron, but this is how I wrap my hair. I do not wrap my hair in the traditional beehive. I actually wrap my hair in the direction that my hair is. I place bobby pins on my hair, and then I add my wrap. and then I kind of slide those bobby pins out so that I don't have too many indentions. Now in this video I did not slide out the bobby pins, so I did have indentions on my hair the next morning. This is second day hair. I just wanted to show you guys what my hair looked like the second day. Normally I would just comb it and shake it out, but because I left those bobby pins in, I had to kind of straighten it again. So you want to minimize the amount of heat that you put on your hair, and again I had to do that because I did have lines in my hair from the bobby pins. But this is what my hair would normally look like once I take it out of the wrap the next day. I do love to use this Argan Oil of Morocco by Organix. This just makes my hair very, very pretty and shiny, and it doesn't weigh it down, so I do add just a little and I apply it to the scalp area. I don't put it on my scalp, but I put it on the hair up top. Then I just work it from the top to the bottom, and this definitely gives me that shine that I'm going for, and it also gives me weightless hair. So yeah, this is how I maintain my hair, and I normally keep it in this style for 2 weeks, and I definitely do not flat iron every day. As you all know, the best thing to do is just to wrap it at night to maintain your hairstyle. If you work out like me, then it won't last you 2 weeks, so you'll have to, you know, do some protective styles between washes, but this is, you know, my process. So as you guys know, it is time for me to trim my ends, so I will be doing that on my next video. So here is a quick length check just in case any of you wanted to know how long my hair is and how it's been growing. It's been growing like a weed, and so I'm pretty happy with the results. Now I just can't wait to trim my ends. So as you can tell, it's very flowy, very soft, and my hair regimen really works well for me, and I hope it works well for you guys. If you have any questions, anything that I did not answer in this video or in my past video, leave a comment in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. XOXO.